Okay, Ventus 3X3070 Ti. Beautiful MSI version. Well, let's see. Okay, let's unbox this little guy, shall we? So it's the MSI 3070 Ti Ventus. Honestly, the box feels very cheap. Honestly, like it's fairly small compared to other GPUs. Box is cheap, very cheap. Yeah, like it's literally just a simple box. Honestly, which could be torn apart very easily. What's that? Some stuff from the seller, isn't it? Oh yeah. Okay. No part of the GPU, of course. Okay. So we got some paperwork here. Essentially how to install your product. Thank you for buying. Warranty card. Get the warranty card. All this is in Chinese because this card was purchased from China, from Taobao. Of course, you gotta use Taobao. What a lovely platform. Yeah, I love it. There's a supporting bracket. It is metal. I'm sure it's 30, although it's not good looking. It's just like a simple cheap bracket that doesn't really look that great. In all honesty, I've received another Game Ward card, 3080, and that had a much better bracket. Okay, so there is a little tiny dragon. I don't think you can see it, but there's basically a little tiny dragon. Yeah, but it doesn't really look that appealing. I mean, I guess it's not horrible, but it doesn't look very appealing, although it's very sturdy. The supporting bracket I've received from GameWorld was far better. I don't think it's as sturdy, like it's made out of plastic, you can bend it, but it's got RGB lighting, so you could actually attach it to your computer and it's gonna light up like GameWorld, the logo. Obviously, it's in Chinese characters, as this card was got from China as well, the GameWorld specifically, so it is better. The GPU, okay, there it is. It does not feel very light, that's for sure. Let me see. Okay. A lot of it is quite exposed. The back finish does feel like it's aluminum. Definitely does feel like aluminum. Not 100% sure, but it does feel like it. Exhaust fans. So it is, yes, for the most part, it is made out of metal. However, the front part is definitely made out of plastic. Yeah, this is plastic. Only this bit, the bottom bit, is essentially, yeah, only the bottom bit is aluminum and metal. It is, however, a nice looking card by any means. I do not think that there is anything else apart from that. The fans, however, I'm not sure if the fans are exactly the same. I think the middle one seems slightly smaller, like just a tiny bit. I'm not 100% sure about that. Maybe I'm wrong, but not sure. Is this middle one slightly smaller? I don't know. Some reason it feels like it. HDMI ports. So what is it? 3 display, 1 HDMI, the usual. Honestly, this is not the most beautiful looking card. There is definitely better looking cards, but it doesn't look terrible. It doesn't look horrible. It's fairly open. It doesn't feel like the cheapest card ever, but obviously it doesn't feel as it's very like high quality as well. But it is a nice card nonetheless. And I don't think that there is any RGB lighting on this card either. However, this does feel as aluminum, the specific part. Not a bad card, only if prices were more stabilized. However, they are slowly stabilizing. I want to see if this could be gotten at a cheaper price than the rest of the cards. I think it would be a good buy. At these prices, however, I do not think this is a great buy. Although compared to 3090, it definitely is.